Okay, so here we have number 4. And this is one I came across just while researching, and it seems pretty cool. Like, honestly, I think this would be dual purpose for, as far as audience wise, for the students and the teachers. The objective is everything. This thing has math, has puzzles, hidden object, memory. I mean, tic tac toe. It's so much on this. You can choose your grade level, reading, science, social studies. Like it's not geared just towards one subject. So for the teacher here, we've got cut and glue, and I know like elementary. Whenever I was doing the Watchdog program, that they were always these cutouts. So here are just tons of the cutouts. They're just PDFs. Just put it out, print it out, let them cut it out, and go. I mean, uh, not looking for anything like that. Uh, I think that's really, really cool. Uh, all in one spot. A ton of games. So there's match games, dot to dots, mazes. Like my freaking kid loves mazes and things like that. So I mean, stuff like this is just really going to help them with their little analytical mind here, getting into that. Reaching for something. Um, Shapes. So they have a ton of math games. New Year's. I think we went into this. So like even the winter fun. Um, so clearly it's seasonal things to do. So if you were looking for something for your kids, there's Hangman, a ton of coloring pages, free winter games, winter crafts again. So the worksheets, stationaries, like I really like this website. It's definitely one I'm going to show my kid for sure because I know that she's going to enjoy it. So, but like I think as a teacher, you would actually be able to get a lot out of this as well. Um, but like even here, so just even with the puzzles, I mean, I think that's so cool. So overall, I think kids, teachers, or students, teachers on this, and the objectives are just limitless. Like I said, I mean, having the ability to go with your grade cards, flashcards, printables, right there, videos on all of the subjects. So that's pretty awesome to have all that in one quick place. So primarygames.com seems to be a winner.